Welcome to Erika's Best, where I will be presenting to you the best of the best recipes that I have found, that people have given me, and I'm going to bring them to you and share them with you so that you can bake them in your home too. So today I want to talk about extracts this summer while I've been in the house for this COVID-19 in the house situation. I've been making different extracts. Here on the table I have coffee extract and coconut extract, vanilla extract, almond extract, strawberry, passion fruit, banana, lemon, Mandarin Orange, pineapple, and today I'm going to do cocoa nibs. So if you've never seen a cocoa nib, they are the broken up pieces of the whole cocoa bean. I will show you what they look like up close. If you want an up close picture, I will put a picture on the site so that you can see, but they're little crushed up bits of the actual cacao bean, and so I'm going to make an extract of that. And so I have here about a half a jar of the cocoa nibs, and I'm going to add my alcohol, which is some vodka, and I'm going to fill that up to about this, about just below the rim of the curve of the jar. And this is a quart jar, and you can use pint jars, quart jars, and as you can see I even have a half a gallon jar here for my vanilla extract and a half a gallon jar here for my pineapple extract. And so you just want to fill your jar up, get the cocoa nibs covered, and then give it a good shake and write the date on it. Today is July the 2nd. And I'll be letting this brew for 2 to 3 months, and I'll be shaking it up in between that time just to get the flavors throughout all of the alcohol. And so I'm gonna put this aside, and now I am going to actually decant some of my extract. I'm going to decant some of this pineapple extract, and it's been brewing for now a couple months, and it smells wonderful. I have checked on it over these 2 months, and it smells very pineapple-y. And so I'm going to put it through a strainer first so I don't get any bits of pineapple in my extract. I'm going to strain it out, any of the solids out. I got a few solids out. And then I am going to pour it into my decanter. So here I have my bottle, and I got these lovely little bottles. I think they're so cute at the Dollar Tree. So I bought several of these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using them for my extracts. So I'm just going to now pour some of the extract into this little smaller container, and I'm going to fill up this decanter, this pineapple extract, and then it'll be ready to use the next time I make something that I want to have pineapple flavoring. I will add some of this extract to it, and I'll be good to go. Okay, so I just finished decanting the pineapple extract, and it is ready for use. And now I am going to decant some strawberry extract. Again, I'm going to strain it so I don't get any of the fruit solids in my extract. So I'm just going to strain some of this fruit out, and there's going to be a lot of this fruit in it because, you know, strawberries is, you know, mostly pulp, where the pineapple was the pineapple skins, and you know, and so this right here, this extract is mostly, you know, the fruit. So I don't want any of the fruit solids in my extract, so That's why I am taking time to strain out the solids and just leave me with the strawberry extract. And I just want to say it's very hard to find real fruit extracts in the store. Most of the time what you find are imitation, and these are so much better than imitation. It smells like real strawberries. And so you're gonna get that real strawberry flavor when you use this in your strawberry desserts or your strawberry drinks or whatever you use the strawberry extract for. You will be able to get that real strawberry flavor in it. And so let me just do a little bit more so I can get one full jar. And I don't know on fruit. This is all new, because I didn't find any videos that showed me about strawberry. I just decided I wanted to use some strawberry extract, so I just went for it. So I am gonna try to use this strawberry pulp to get another jar. I'm gonna refill this jar again of the strawberry pulp that I have here, and then try to extract some more flavor to get another jar of the strawberry extract. So I do see a few little pieces of the pulp, which should be fine. I mean, it is in alcohol, so it's not going to mold or anything like that, because we are using alcohol for this process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move this over a little bit, this way I guess, so you can see me decant the rest of this strawberry extract. So now I have my strawberry extract decanted. It's a lovely color. It smells awesome. I wish you could smell it. And now I am going to refill this jar with some more alcohol and see if I can't extract some more flavor and get another jar of this extract to flavor. So I have made today the cocoa nib extract, and I have decanted strawberry. I have decanted the strawberry and the pineapple extract today, and I've made the cocoa nib extract, and I'll be checking on it. And the next time I'm ready to decant, I will show you what the other extracts turn out to be, and look forward to some videos that I will use use some of these extracts to make some different desserts. So bye for now. Please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comments. I love comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.